If you would like to learn to take beautiful photographs of your jewellery with a smartphone, this course was designed just for you. Photographing your jewellery using a smartphone is a brand new online course taught by jeweller and professional product photographer Karen Young. Karen will guide you through video tutorials on the fundamentals of photographing jewellery using a smartphone, lighting and how to work with both natural and continuous light, styling guidance, techniques and composition for professional looking phone photography, working with gemstones, shiny surfaces and silver and gold jewellery. The equipment you need to master smartphone photography including lighting options, tripods, props and more. Tips for managing shadows and contrast, using reflectors to support your lighting setup, managing colour cast and colour balance settings, using a light tent to diffuse and soften your lighting, multiple examples of different photography setups for you to try, and editing tutorials to edit your photographs to a professional standard using your phone. Sign up today and get taking pictures right away. This course has lifetime access, a full set of downloadable notes, and is accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. You can also get support around the course in our Jewellers Academy Facebook community, a great place to ask questions and to connect with other students. Visit jewellersacademy.com/smartphone to get started, and we can't wait to see what pictures you take.